Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for June 7th to 21st. We're going to first take a look at potential tropical development here over the Western Atlantic. This is a track now. They don't expect this to develop. I don't think it's going to develop, and here's why. We're going to take a look here at the winds haven't really come around to the circulation. It's mostly on the western side, and it's just not happening. But it's going to bring heavy rainfall, and we're going to look at the radar here. Most of the activity now is offshore. You can see here. Here's the various models. Okay, so most of the activity is offshore. So now we're going to get to the forecast for June 11th to the 7th to the 11th. And we have our upper low here. We have our upper low here over South Central Canada, above normal heights blocking that occurs across Canada, which could slow the weather pattern here across the nation. And upper low here, like I said, there's something else going to do, ridge here. So during this period, we'll have high heat across the south under an upper ridge. Temperatures will be as much as 20 degrees above normal would be possible. The zonal flow across the north here, you can see, will have several embedded energies that will cause rain and strong storms from the Rockies to the East Coast. We'll take a look at the surface. See the situation here moving across the region, and the upper ridge application will favor excessive heat across the interior valleys of California and the desert Southwest. Now look at the period now for June 12th to the 16th. 12th to the 16th. And we have our upper low here that remains near the Aleutians and Northeast Pacific, and a ridge builds into the west. And we have a trough here in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and anomalies, excuse me, anomalies could reach or exceed 12 degrees above normal here. Below normal temperature forecast for this region with the numbers of 4 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is about 40%. Looking ahead for the period for June 17th to the 21st. Now we have this ridge that builds across southern states from the western Atlantic, trough here, above normal heights across much of the east central states. But for now, I'm going to call for this, calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for numbers of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. The anomalies will be lessening, and we have above normal temperatures here. And anomalies could exceed 12 degrees above normal in some locations, mainly here in California and across this region. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for June 7th to 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.